Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. More bailouts for the rich people. This week they are working on 12 items that they need to get passed before the 11th of December. One of them is PPP money. They need more PPP funding. If you remember before, the PPP loans only helped companies that really did not need it. The Main Street lending program is ending December 31st. This was intended for small failing businesses to get forgivable loans so they could stay afloat and pay their employees. But that's not what happened at all. If you remember, Mitch McConnell's wife, her family has got a large business. They got PPP money. I believe they should be made return that money, and if they don't, they need to go to prison. That was intended for the people, not for themselves. The businesses that needed these loans didn't get them because they did not have the cash flow to qualify for these loans. And if they had big cash flow, then they simply wouldn't need the loans. So this money is only to help bigger, richer companies that did not need help. So this is just another program that helps the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. This program was designed to help the rich only. This is just another bailout for the people with stocks and the people that are rich. People with businesses got a bailout once again. Big businesses. I consider a big business a business that's making good money and having good cash flow. These was the only businesses that could get this PPP money. People with real estate got a year off from paying their mortgages. A bailout for rich people. And regular people like you and me, we got a stimulus check of $1,200. And some didn't even get that. This is just another way that they tell us every day that they don't care a bit about the American people. The regular American people like you and me. All we are to them is a potential vote in their column. Y'all, this whole thing about the PPP money going to Mitch McConnell's wife, I don't know why people are not making a big stink about that. It should not go to them. It should go to we, the people. And why people are not making a big stink of it, demanding that money back, I'll never know. But that's the reason Mitch McConnell is in no hurry to help the American people, because he got his. His family got theirs. And now he's saying, the heck with the American people. I got mine. You get yours the best way you can. That's what he's saying. It's a slap in the face to the American taxpayers. Because that's the American taxpayers' money that they're living large on. We need to do something about it. We need to make them pay that money back. Y'all, it's wrong. These programs are made to help the rich people, not people like you and me. Y'all, we will get out of this. We just have to pray to God for His guidance and His mercy. He will show it. He will give it. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. And just know, I do love you all. Ciao.